Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Raul De Castro and this channel is mostly about Teslas and my experience with the Tesla vehicles. I've owned Model 3, Tesla Model 3, Tesla Model S, Tesla Model Y, and I will post different things regarding accessories, what I've done to the vehicle, little things I may be working on to make it a better experience for myself and for my family when we're in the vehicle, and hopefully this will inspire some others to do things that they've thought about, and can also share with us out here in the world so we can all learn from each other and really enjoy this new tech and these new electric vehicles that are coming, and make it a better place for all of us. So very fortunate to have started owning a Tesla back in 2019, Model 3. That vehicle, which we named Blue Moon, it is a blue Model 3, which my son now drives. Secondly, we were able to acquire a 7-seater Model Y, which my wife drives. It's a white Model Y, which we named Polar Bear. And a little while after that, we owned a Model S. It was a gold 2016 Model S, which we loved before the Model Y. Actually, my wife drove that one. We got that one prior to the Model Y, and she drove that one. Once the Model Y came, my wife wanted to continue to drive the S, so I drove the 7-seater Model Y. And a little while after that, my wife decided she wanted to drive that one, and I thought it was a good idea for her because she's always running around with more kids than I am, as she is usually with my nieces and nephews, taking them to parks and doing different activities. So that was a better option for her than the Model S. And since then, she's enjoyed the Model Y and is happy with Polar Bear. And I was extremely happy with the Model S, which we named Golden Dude, because it was that golden brown color that Tesla came out back when they first released the Model S. That car did have free supercharging, and it was an amazing vehicle. But being that the new technology, I love new technology, I felt that also the Model Y was a better fit for us going forward long term, due mostly to the fact that I do drive a long way and take many road trips with my son because he plays travel baseball. And the Model S was not going to be a good long-term solution for us. And it had just gone out of warranty a few months ago, almost a year ago. So, and it was a good car, no issues, no problems at all. And just wanted to move forward with a new Model Y because it was going to be a better option for us long term. And with road trips, the charging was just too slow on the Model S 2016. So Golden Dude was it. It was a great vehicle, but it was a vehicle that had run its course with our family and for our needs. So without further ado, the next video, I'm going to share a little bit more about the different vehicles and experiences with the Tesla family of cars that we've been fortunate to own and currently own. Here are a few snapshots of a video I'm working on regarding a paint protection film DIY project that I started and didn't go quite as planned. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Whoop, whoop.